Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you an updated nighttime routine. We are always tweaking our nighttime routine just a little bit, so I wanted to update you guys. I am a mom to two and my husband is home with me tonight to help me get the kids ready for bed.
And this video is sponsored by Vanity Planet.
We're starting our routine with dinner, and dinner tonight is quinoa cooked in the Instant Pot with a lot of raw cheese and butter. And then we're also having steamed broccoli. And then Andrew is grilling up some chicken tenders and he's cooking himself some salmon. The kids knew that Dad was downstairs grilling, and they have been so antsy to get outside lately. So today was a decently warm day. It was still a little bit chilly, but we all went downstairs and hung out with Dad while he grilled our dinner. I remember hanging out with my dad while he would grill our dinner growing up, and so all of us hanging out together outside while Andrew was grilling our dinner just brought back so many memories, and I love getting to make these memories with my kiddos. We usually have some kind of dessert after dinner. Usually it's a healthier dessert, but Andrew is such a softie for Emerson, and he saw these Mickey Mouse ice creams and thought of her, and so he bought them for her, and she's been really enjoying them. So that's what Emerson is having for dessert tonight. And of course Oakley wants whatever she has too. So I just went ahead and cut off an ear for him to have. Emerson is such a nurturing little girl. I love that quality about her, and she's always so willing to share with Oakley and take care of Oakley. I mean, they have their moments when they fight, but for the most part, she takes pretty good care of her brother. It's almost 7 o'clock, so we're going to start getting the kiddos ready for bed, and we're going to start that with a bath. We don't give the kids a bath every night, but for this video I wanted to show you guys what our nighttime routine looks like on the nights we do give them a bath. Usually Andrew sits with the kids, and I take this opportunity to tidy up upstairs a little bit before the kids go to bed. So I'm going to start by picking up the dirty clothes that the kids wore today, putting them in the dirty clothes, and then I'm going to get started on a load of laundry.
Can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday.
Part of our nighttime routine every night is filling up the diffuser, and this has really helped Oakley sleep. He is pretty much sleep trained. We went ahead and used the Ferber method to sleep train him, but I definitely notice a difference between the nights that I don't use the lavender and the diffuser and the nights that I do. He seems to just have a much better night on the nights that I diffuse lavender.
Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
I am still breastfeeding Oakley. I only feed him about 3 times a day, and it's more of just a comfort thing, but I still enjoy doing it, and I'm not sure when we're going to end it. Either he'll decide or I'll eventually decide, but for now I really enjoy this time with Oakley. And back to laundry. I actually didn't get a chance to finish what I was doing because the kids decided that they were done in the bathtub and needed to get out. So I am going to go ahead and finish up this load of laundry.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go.
Oakley goes to bed at 7:30, but Emmy usually stays up until about 8 or 8:30. So Emmy went downstairs with Andrew while I was putting Oakley to bed.
I know you tried so hard. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life?
At this time, Emmy usually watches a TV show or reads some books or something like that while I go ahead and clean up the kitchen after dinner. I try and do the bare minimum cleaning wise, and I also want to note that Andrew usually helps me clean up the kitchen, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do it.
To be a good man inside, did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give.
Our floors are usually so dirty and crummy at the end of the day, so I always finish up the night by vacuuming up the floors. Sometimes I even vacuum twice a day. So it's around 8:30 now, and it's time for Emmy to go to bed. This is actually something that Andrew usually does, but again, for the sake of this video, I'm doing it. Every once in a while too, Emmy will say that she wants me to put her to bed, and so I will when she asks me to. Now that the kiddos are in bed, it's time for me to relax and unwind a little bit. And usually this is my time to fully focus, and I get some of my best work done at night, although I am sometimes pretty tired. So I'm just turning on some TV. Andrew usually joins me here, and I get a little bit of computer work done.
Typically I wash my face in the shower, but this video is sponsored by Vanity Planet, and I want to show you guys how I wash my face using the Radia facial brush. This facial brush is honestly one of the coolest things I have ever owned. It has totally changed the game for me as far as face washing. I use this brush to remove dirt, oil, and makeup, and it actually does this 6 times better than if I were to wash my face with my hands, which is how I used to wash my face. It also increases cell turnover. Unlike most other facial brushes, the silicone brush head is antibacterial and it won't harbor bacteria. It's super gentle, which is good for people who have sensitive skin like me. And one of my favorite things, other than the fact that it cleans my skin so well, is that it helps prep my skin for makeup the next morning, so my makeup applies so much smoother. And then it also comes with this ventilated case, which makes this super easy to take with you when you're traveling. And lastly, this brush is water resistant, which is why I'm able to take it into the shower with me, which is where I like to wash my face. This facial brush is pretty cool, and I have a discount code for you guys too, so you guys can go ahead and click the link in the description box and use the code SIMPLYCLEAN at checkout to get 70% off.
So I got in bed here and was all nice and cozy, just kind of scrolling through my phone, and then I realized that I had forgotten to get Oakley's monitor from downstairs. So I had to run downstairs and grab Oakley's monitor and plug it in. Every night before I go to bed, I put on my essential oils. I have an immunity roller that I didn't show, but I also put on this sleepy time roller. It has just lavender, cedarwood, and peace and calming. It's such a calming smell, and it really does help me unwind at night and sleep better. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, of course, let me know in the comments down below. If you are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so now. We would love to have you guys be a part of the channel. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Allie_gooch.
And make sure you check out Vanity Planet. Remember, I have a link in the description box below, and you can use the code SIMPLYCLEAN for 70% off.
All right, you guys, I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.